Alright guys, today I'm going to talk about how to protect your home from bugs and roaches and ants and all these nasty things. Right here, I bought this for about $59, $60 from Tractor Supplies. And I bought this right here for about $100. This will remain with you forever. This, it has 64 ounces and all you need is 1 ounce per gallon. So you are doing 1 ounce per gallon. So that means you have 64 sprays and a gallon will last you forever. This will save you a lot of money. You can do it yourself. You don't have to pay companies or anybody to come and spray your home, because I know some companies, they charge between $80 to $100 just to show up and spray, and believe me, they don't do a good job. You can do a better job yourself and save a lot of money. It's simple and it's easy to use. I'm going to show you how you guys do this. Alright, follow me. See, I already have a gallon right here, but I'll add another one for you guys. Bam, see, right here I have 1 ounce. Yeah, always make sure to wear gloves and a mask to protect yourself from these chemicals. So you do just open that. Bam! You dump that 1 ounce right in there. Close that, make sure it's closed tight. You come right here at the water and you just fill it. It's easy to use and you will save a lot of money. A buddy of mine showed me how to do this. I know you're watching. Thank you. Alright. Now we close this. I will make sure to leave the link below on how to find this and find that. Put this on your back. I know this is a big one. They sell a smaller one that you could carry with your in your hands, and you could take it inside into tight spaces. But I'd rather get this. So pretty much you use the pump. And right here, this is the handle. And you just spray. See? Bam! Killing them. Look. See? You could do this yourself. Save a lot of money and stop being lazy and get it done. See? Bam. With $60 you have 64 sprays. You can spray your house about 64 times, 1 ounce per gallon. That's, if you want to come bring a company, how much are you going to charge you? About $100 each time? That's about $6,400 right here. I saved you some money. You owe me now. So alright, till next time, stay safe, wear gloves and a mask. Alright guys, we're going to talk today about spraying your house and protecting your house from all the insects and all the insects. Okay. Action. Alright guys, we're going to talk today about how to protect your home from all the insects and is it insects? Insects. Okay. Alright guys, we're going to talk today about how to protect your homes from the what?
Now you're messing it. Insects.
Incest.
No, insects.
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 Insect.
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 Insects.
Insect. I don't remember that. I've been here
Just
for,
say bugs.
I've been here for 20 years. I don't even know how to pronounce insect.
Just say bugs.
Bugs. All right.